Here is number 7, Basilio. Drive. Ball goes into the CNN. In out. Para for the rebound. Ball goes to number 8, Toledo. Toledo using the glass for 1 point. First pass right up the ball game. Number 10, Lopez Basilio. No. Rebound number 25. Basilio. Shot clock running down. Pesana number 71. No, number 71 again. Another 1 point for number 71 of Taguig City. Here is number 14, got 2 times. Pass to number 10, Lopez. Pass to number 29 for 2. No. Rebound on number 8, Toledo. Toledo pass to number 71, Pesana. Shot clock running down. Pesana. Spinning, plus 1 point. 6-3 to score. Number 10, Anton Lopez. Pick. For 2, yes! 3 points on Anton Lopez of Quezon City. Number 25, yes, it counts. 3 points against City.
5-2 Taguig.
3-5. Number 10, Lopez. Anton Lopez spin. Yes, 1 point. 3-5 in favor of Taguig City. Number 8, Toledo for 2. No. Rebound number 14, got 2 that pass. Number 29, Santos. Santos, spin. Left on leg. Yes, 1 point. 4-5, 1 point, Taguig City. Here is number 7, Basilio. Intercepted by number 10, Anton Lopez. Lopez, spin. Pass to number 29, Santos for 2. Yes.
Quezon City 6, Taguig 5.
6-5 is score. Number 11 for 2. Yes, because Taguig City. 1-1 number 8 Toledo for playing a foul. Number 71, Pesana using his body. No, back to the rebound. But there's a foul. Foul goes to Taguig City. That is first team foul. Here is number 10, Lopez. Pass to number 14, Dakuda. Dakuda spins and pass. Pass the down. And one play. Foul, Taguig City. That is second team foul. A bonus free throw for number 14, Dakuda. One point, lead goes to
8-7 Quezon City.
Here is Toledo. No. Rebound number 14, that good pass on the 20 Santos for 2. Yes! Another 2 points. Santos.
10-7 Quezon City.
10-7 the score in favor of Quezon City. Here's number 71. Rebound that good pass number 29 Santos. Yes! Same spot. Same score. Number 29 Santos. Number 8, Toledo. Rebound number 10, Lopez. 12-7 score. Now here's back to time. Back to time. 13-7 in favor of Quezon City. Here is Pesana. No. Rebound number 10, Lopez for 2. No. Here is Lopez. Lopez pass number 29. Santos. No. Toledo 14. Yes. 2 points. Taguig City. 13-9. Here is number 14. Dakuda. Shot clock running down. Spin. Yes. Count. 14-9. There is number 8. Toledo 14. Yes. 3 points. Dakuda. Kick out to number 10. Lopez. Yes. Another team for Quezon City.
16-11 Quezon City, 5 minutes 40 seconds.
Pass on number 7, Lopez. Sana for 2. No. is number 29, Santos. Santos drive, down. Ball number 15, no, rebound winner, Anton Lopez. No, rebound by Pula, 17 in again. No. Eagles number 71, Besana, but there's a foul. Foul goes to Quezon City, that is first team foul. Left. Timeout. Taguig City. 5 minutes, 4 seconds remaining. Official score 17-11 in favor of Quezon City. One free throw for Taguig City. Number 7, Pasilio. One point. Taguig City, 17-12. Here is number 26, Padilla. Drive, no. Number 71, Besana. Pass to number 8, Toledo. Shot clock running down. Foul on number 14, the Kutan of Quezon City. That is second team foul. Here is number 8, Toledo. Toledo spin drive. No. Rebound number 26. Spin by number 71, Besana. Pass to number 7, Basilio. Intercepted by number 48, pass number 26 to number 29, Santos. No. Rebound number 7, Basilio. Speed, using glass, 1 point. Here is number 14, Dagkotan. Same old shot clock,
17-13, Quezon City, 4 minutes, 9 seconds.
Here is Anton Lopez for 10. Yes! 2 points! 11 Toledo drive. Yes, the count. Here is Anton Lopez. 29 Santos. Anton Lopez. Here number 71. No. Rebound goes to number 29, Santos. Here is Santos 14. No. Anton Lopez. No. Here is number 8, Toledo.
19-14, Quezon City. 3 minutes, 24 seconds.
Anton Lopez. Pass to number 14, back to number 14. No. Number 71, Besana. No. Foul on Quezon City. That is 30 foul. Here is number 8, Toledo. Shot clock running out, number 71, Besana. Back to number 8, Toledo for 2. Yes, 3 points, Taguig City. Here is Anton Lopez. Intercepted by number 71, Besana. Pass to number 8, Toledo. Toledo for 2. No, back to the rebound, number 71. Pass to number 71, Besana for 2. No, rebound number 14, Toledo. Pass to number 2. Quezon City, 2016. In this number, Toledo shot clock going up, Toledo for 2. No! Rebound number 14, like Kutan. Shot up, right down, like Kutan, spin.